Upo po muna tayong lahat so that everyone can see. Okay. Let's watch this.
On June 19, 2007, exactly 9:15 a.m., a baby girl was born. And right now, let's witness a girl turn to a lady.
Tita Marisa, at least nandito kami para sa iyo. At alam ko na araw mo ngayon at maligaya ka. Sana pagpatuloy mo yung maganda mong pag-uugali, mabait, same time, mag-aaral kang mabuti. At alam ko na pag pinagbubutihan mo ang pag-aaral mo, ay malayo ang iyong mararating, matutupad ang mga pangarap mo. Sana na balang araw ay makakapunta ka rin sa Amerika. Alam ko na marami ka pang mga pangarap na matutupad. Maligaya ka ngayon. Inuulit ko, happy birthday, Ashley.
Happy birthday, Ashley. Alam ko na napakasaya mo sa araw na to. You turned 18 today. Lalaman ko na nagtitudyon mo ngayon sa inyong celebration. Pero nakikigalak din kami sa araw na to para sa iyo. Aming wish and prayer ay matatagpuan sa Jeremiah 29 verse 11 sa pagkakas. For you know the plans that I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in the future. Happy birthday. And just continue serving the Lord. Continue trusting Him for He is everything. Alam ko na ang Panginoon ang siyang pagpapalapil lahat ng mga dreams mo sa buhay. God bless you always and happy birthday.
Hi Ashley, wishing you a happy birthday. Now that you're 18, I know that your life will somehow be different from your past years. I hope that you will grow up to be a fine lady and most especially God-fearing. Take care of your parents and your siblings. Whatever your endeavors are, I wish you good luck. Happy birthday, I love you.
Happy birthday, Ashley! God bless you and more birthdays to come.
Hola, Ate Ashley! Happy 18th birthday! Cumpleaños feliz! Cumpleaños feliz! Te deseamos todos cumpleaños feliz! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Hi Ashley, happy 18th birthday. I hope you know how much we love you and how much we appreciate you. May God bless you and your loved ones more. And I am so sorry if hindi kami naka-attend personally sa celebration mo. If pwede lang na magkapit-bahay lang ang Pampanga at ang Pangasinan. Alam mo na, andyan agad kami. But I miss you so much and see you soon.